So when you buy a boat and you decide that you want to do a refurbishing of the boat, first thing you got to do is take everything off of the boat. It's really the first step. Well, let's do that. Couple of bonuses I found. The both fuel tanks are full. Nice of him. He had said that he would do that, put some fuel in there, but I didn't think he'd fill both of them. It's pretty cool. 2 fuel tanks, 22 gallons of fuel. That's worth some. Now one thing that I've discovered already on this boat is something I don't like is I get standing water down in here. Okay, and it's because the scupper where the water's supposed to go is covered up by this aftermarket pump to fill the live well. Now, I don't really know why it was done this way, but why you wouldn't just move it over 4 inches or something and call it a day. But we're gonna take this off so it can drain, because it's gonna sit out here, you know, in the rain, and I just want this thing to be able to drain properly. We don't want it to log any further, waterlog any further. So I got this thing off of there. Pretty nice little design, but unfortunately when I put my finger down in there I can feel rotten wood, which means there's the transom right behind this piece, at least right here, is rotten around here. Doesn't look like they put any 5200 or anything in the transom, even when they drilled into it, which is not a good sign. I don't know enough. I know enough about boats to be dangerous, but I know that you never drill into your transom unless you're going to fill it with 5200. It's really kind of a standard thing. So we know we have rotten wood there, and I got to kind of figure out what I want to do. If I want to cut out the whole transom or what, and redo it. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Alright, the sun's going down now, so I've had possession of this boat for about 3 hours. What we've done so far is we've removed the GPS. We got all the junk out of the boat, moved everything out that didn't really belong. Got rid of the anchor there, a bunch of pine needles. We have removed the live well and all of its components. and started to take a look at the transom. Notice there is some issues with that, but I don't know how severe they are, so I'm not really going to jump to any conclusions until we yank the floor. We've removed the gas tanks there also. Got rid of that. And the battery too, we've taken that out. I do see some standing water in the chase down here. Now, I don't know if that's just in the chase or if it goes more, if it's more extensive or what, but we will figure that out also. So, all in all, pretty good first 3 hours. We're not wasting any time.